Good day, folks. In this video, we are going to dig deeper into the world of online surveys. So, let's get started. Online surveys are a popular method of gathering information and opinions from a targeted audience via the internet. They involve presenting a series of questions or statements to respondents, who provide their answers electronically through a web-based form or interface. Online surveys offer several advantages over traditional paper-based surveys. Firstly, they are cost-effective as there is no need for printing, distribution, or manual data entry. Secondly, they provide convenience for both the survey creators and respondents, as they can be accessed and completed at any time and from any location with an internet connection. Lastly, online surveys allow for quick data collection and analysis since responses are automatically recorded and can be easily aggregated and analyzed using digital tools. To conduct an online survey, researchers typically design a questionnaire with a combination of multiple choice questions, rating scales, and open-ended questions. The surveys can be customized to suit specific research objectives, and the data collected can provide insights into various areas such as market research, customer satisfaction, employee feedback, and public opinion. Respondents are usually recruited through various channels, including email invitations, social media, or panel providers. Incentives may be offered to encourage participation and improve response rates. Getting started with online surveys is relatively simple. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you begin. Research and choose reputable survey websites. Look for well-known survey platforms that have a good reputation and positive user reviews. Some popular options include Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Toluna, and Vindale Research. Create accounts. Visit the websites you've chosen and sign up for an account. Typically, you'll need to provide basic information such as your name, email address, and demographic details. Be cautious and avoid sharing sensitive personal information. Complete your profile. Once you've created an account, fill out your profile with accurate information. This helps survey platforms match you with surveys that align with your demographics and interests. Providing accurate details increases your chances of receiving more relevant survey invitations. Explore available surveys. After setting up your profile, you'll usually find a dashboard displaying available surveys. Some platforms may also send you email notifications about new surveys. Check regularly for new opportunities. Select and complete surveys. Choose surveys that interest you or align with your preferences. Some surveys may offer points, cash, or gift cards as incentives. Read the instructions carefully, answer the questions honestly, and provide thoughtful feedback. Inconsistent or rushed responses may lead to disqualification from future surveys. Be consistent and patient. Building a steady income from online surveys requires consistency and patience. Check for new surveys regularly and dedicate time to complete them. Understand that earning potential may vary, and it might take some time to accumulate enough rewards to redeem. Explore additional earning opportunities. Some survey platforms offer other ways to earn, such as participating in focus groups, product testing, or referring friends. Keep an eye out for these opportunities to maximize your earnings. Protect your privacy. While using survey websites, be mindful of your personal information. Stick to reputable platforms and avoid sharing sensitive data or engaging in surveys that seem suspicious or request payment from you. Remember, online surveys may not provide a significant source of income, but they can offer some additional rewards or extra cash in your spare time. It's essential to manage your expectations and balance your survey participation with other activities. That is all for this video. Consider liking and subscribing if you enjoy our contents. Thanks for watching.